In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fully optimize Windows 11 for gaming. Intro. First things first, you need to update your drivers. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can go to nvidia.com and download the NVIDIA app. Once you have it downloaded, go ahead and open it up, and sometimes it'll just pop up as a desktop icon, or you could just search for it and open it up. Once it opens up and it looks like I have an update for it right here, you're able to go to your drivers tab and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. It's going to restart your PC after you do that, so just keep that in mind. You'll see the drivers tab over on this left-hand side. Select it, and then up at the top, it's going to have you install it, and it looks like I'm up to date right now. Now from here, what you need to do is actually go into your settings. So go ahead and right-click on the Windows thing, hit settings over here, and you need to go ahead and search specifically for Game Bar, or you can go to Gaming, find Game Bar, and just go ahead and turn this off. You do not want Game Bar on here. But you can test it with it on, and you could test it with it off because it can perform differently depending on your PC. Then go ahead and right click on your desktop, hit show more options right here. And once you go ahead and do that, open up the NVIDIA control panel just like so. You need to adjust your image settings with a preview, and you need to go ahead and specifically go to performance mode. Once you do that, you should be all set. But if you're having any other issues or want anything else changed, let us know down in the comments. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.